Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a project share. This is for a swap. I really don't think I'm going to make the deadline. It's supposed to get to Patty, who is Mommy and Me Crafts, by April 1st. So I don't think I'm going to make it, but I do want to share the project. You're supposed to make a tote and a bunch of things, which I totally overestimated or underestimated. So you're supposed to make a tote following Christian's Crafty Adventures tutorial. You're supposed to make a, add some sunnies, some sunglasses that, you know, you can alter or wear or whatever. You're also supposed to include some trim and or flowers. You're also supposed to include a bead dangle, a pen, or a pokey tool, one of those. One small trinket box, one memory dex card with your name, your address, and all that good stuff. A sequin mix, a handmade card, and a pendant or a wand. And you just have to pick one of those things to gift to the hostess if you want to gift her anything. She doesn't want the whole swap, but here we go. I'm going to show you the swap in its entirety. So it looks like this. Can't fit it all in there. And I'm going to pull stuff out. So this is my memory decks. I made this on Monday night with Louisa and Eve on our Maggie Holmes 4 Days of Maggie series. And I just included a label sticker with my YouTube and my Instagram. I'm not including my address mainly because I move too often. And if they want to get a hold of me, my social media is on the back and they could just direct message me. So I have a memory dex card here and I guess I'll take it out. I did include a magnet. This is a trifold memory dex card. This is from KS Crafts. And I added a bow here and a flower. These are all things in my stash that I just pulled together. And even my stickers and magnets are just in my stash. So yeah, we used Maggie Holmes, and you can see if you're very familiar with Maggie Holmes, there's different collections that I combined in this. So that's what it looks like on the inside. On the back, it just has some more stickers and then my little label on the back there. And I am also repurposing packaging. So this was from a prior swap or previous swap, and I'm just reusing the package, the bag, because it's still good. Okay, the next thing I have in here, let me see which one, is a card. And this is an altered card because I am terrible at cards. I'm not going to pull it out of here. It has an envelope. I just stuck it inside the card and I left it blank. But these are the spring paper pads from Michaels. And I just die cut it or not die cut it, I just cut it with my cutting board or my cutting tool. And then I layered it onto the store-bought card, which is this navy blue card right here in the background. It has butterflies and it has a little bit of gold foiling on there. So I used the bumblebee on that paper pad. The purple is from the same paper pad. And then I used another Maggie Holmes clear vinyl sticker and just made a somewhat of a pennant. Added some of the flowers from my stash, which are from Rhoda. And that is what I made for the card. I am terrible at cards, guys. So here is my, ooh, that flower. Here is my so-called either a pennant flag or a wand. So this is my Easter egg wand. Everything on here I'm very happy with, except for my bunny. But I'm just going to go with it because it just took too much time and I don't have any more time. I took my die cut from KS Crafts. This is basically the whole die cut. It's the Easter egg with the bunny. And then I added the Dollar Tree die from the flower set. I cannot find it again. I don't know what I did with it. But yeah, so flowers again from my stash. I just inked the edges. I inked some of the cheeks on the bunny. Layered the ribbon and flower. This is also from Dollar Tree. And believe it or not, this ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. Did some stitching with my sewing machine. And then on the back, I kind of put a little bit of stuffing back here and added my label. Just hot glued that on there. This straw is from Walmart. It's a hard, sturdy plastic straw. So that is my wand. I'm pretty happy with the wand. So I'm going to seal this. Actually, I can't. I have to take pictures and then I got to mail it. So that is the wand. Let me put that over here. And then, let's see. Which one? Here are my sunnies. I shared this in a previous video already, so I'm not even going to pull it out. I used Dollar Tree daisy banner, cut it apart, added it to the glasses. The glasses I picked up from Walmart, but you could also find some at Dollar Tree. And then I just added a bunch of charms onto that one, onto the sunnies, and then I just put a bag topper. The next one, I think I've shared this one already, but here we go. I added one of the Dollar Tree coasters. It's a felt coaster to this container from Christian's Crafty Adventures. And I just hot glued it onto there. I thought that would make a cute little pot. And then my sequin mix is all in here. It's full. It's probably half a cup of mix. There are some flowers, sequins, holographic, matte. There's even some floral heishi and some seed beads. I also have some clay bits, which are like the baby chicks and the Easter eggs in there. I also have some sugar candies. Don't eat the candies. It's no longer edible. And so that's what I have in there. Added another daisy, added the 2 flowers. And these 2 trims I put, I've had in my stash forever. These are Maggie Holmes trims. And I just glued these 2 wooden spools together. Added the bunny trim right in the middle. And then I added some, these floral cupcake picks I hauled from Louisa. The flower and the butterfly are both from Louisa. This foam flower here is from Dollar Tree, and it came with the bow already. So I just attached it through the spools and just glued it down. Added the little Hobby Lobby resin bunny here on the very, very top with the butterfly. And that's just the top of my trim and sequin mix. And so I put it in this bag here. I still have to take photos, so I'm really hesitant to push it in. I have to take photos, so I haven't done that yet. I just finished crafting all these goodies together. So that is my sequin mix and my trim combo. I'm gonna leave that there. I did make a little trinket box. You're supposed to add a trinket box. It could be small. So I just used some paper from my stash. These are the Michaels paper pad. It looks like this. Added my label on the back and just took a strip of cardstock and created a handle. And then I put some faux stitching on with some my marker. I can't think right now. Added 2 of the bunnies here. These are both from Dollar Tree. These table scatters from Walmart, and then these 2 chipboard stickers are from Target. Okay, so you just pop that open just like that. And I added some beads, some candy beads here, some candy charms here, a lot of candy sweet treat items. And then I have some flowers here. These are floral beads here for spring. A little butterfly bead here I got in my stash. And then some of these, I don't know what these are called, but they're really cute for embellishing some items. So that is what I put in my little trinket box. So now you don't want to close. What is going on? Being really difficult right now, but what are you doing? Come on. Close down. There we go. And that's my little teeny tiny trinket box. The very last thing I am adding in here is a gumball machine that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I just put some washi over the little knobby thing so that the jelly beans, I changed the gum to jelly beans. And then I added some of these embroidered carrots from Dollar Tree. That's the Dollar Tree trim that I received from Louisa. And I just added my label on the back here. It comes off easy, so if the recipient wants, they can pull that off really easy. I also added some washi to the top because I wasn't sure how secure this was going to be. So I just added some extra washi, and when they get it, they can pull all the washi off. And then I just put it in this little baggie. And that's that for my suite. You don't have to include this one, but I did. So I did the card, I did the memory decks, I did the shaker, the sunnies, the wand, and now here is another option, which is the bead dangle pen or a pokey tool. So I kind of included a pen and a bead dangle little charms on the side. It's just some spring colors with some sunnies on the side right there. I'm not going to pull it out, guys. It's just a pen. Picked it up from Walmart. It has the little loop on the very top. Added a ball chain and then just dangled my little charm mix up on from the chain. So that is all that I'm including, and this is a recap of the little tote that we created. I thought it came out really cute. And now the challenge will be to add it all back in, but I am not going to do that because I need to take some pictures of these things, and then I will share some photos at the end. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.